Good day viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we have the following interesting surdic problem. If square root of 7 plus sod 17 is equal to sod k plus sod m, show that k plus m is equal to 7. Wow, this is a very nice question. Let's see how we're going to solve this problem. Okay, we are given that the square root of 7 plus square root of 17 is equal to square root of k plus square root of m. Okay, now squaring both sides of this equation, so we have square root of 7 plus square root of 17 squared is equal to, sod k plus sod m squared. Okay, so squaring this, we have 7 plus square root of 17, since we know that this square and this square root get cancelled out. And right here we have this as k plus m plus 2 square root of k times m. Okay, so we're going to compare both sides of this equation. So we're going to compare both sides of this equation. So we say that k plus m is equal to 7, and comparing the ones with the right equal sign, so we say again that 2 square root of km is equal to square root of 17. Okay, now squaring both sides here, we get here, if you square here, we have 2 squared and square root of km squared, which cancels out. So we have here 4km is equal to 17. Okay, now from this equation here, we have here that k is equal to 7 minus m. Okay, so we're going to substitute this here. So we have here that 4m open bracket 7 minus m is equal to 17. So expanding this and opening this bracket, and the simplifying this way, so we have minus 4m squared plus 28m, then minus 17 is equal to 0. Okay, now we're going to use the general quadratic formula to solve this problem. That is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, and here we have a is equal to negative 4, b is equal to 28, and c is equal to negative 17. Okay, now simplifying this, so we have m is equal to negative b, that is negative 28, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is 28 squared, minus in bracket 4 times a times b, 4 times negative 4 times negative 17 all over 2a, that is 2 times negative 4. Okay, now we're going to simplify this way, so we have that m is equal to, simplifying this way, negative 28 plus or minus square root of 512 all over negative 8, and this is simplifying to 7 all over 2 plus or minus 2 sod 2. Okay, now we should know that the value of k here should be the conjugate form of m. So what does this imply? That if m is equal to 7 all over 2 plus 2 sod 2, then eventually k is equal to 7 all over 2 minus 2 sod 2. And if m is equal to 7 over 2 minus 2 sod 2, k will be 7 all over 2 plus 2 sod 2. So they are just conjugate to each other. So we deduce that the square root of 7 plus square root of 17 is equal to square root of 7 all over 2 plus 2 sod 2 plus square root of 7 all over 2 minus 2 sod 2. Okay, now our major task is to prove that m plus k is equal to 7, and here we have this as m and we have this as k. So we have here 7 all over 2 plus 2 sod 2, then plus k 7 all over 2 minus 2 sod 2, and this is giving us 7 over 2 plus 7 over 2. These 2 sod 2 and this sod 2 cancel out, so we have 7 over 2 plus 7 over 2 and this is equal to 14 over 2, which is equal to 7. Thank you for viewing, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.